Hi folks, welcome to Motorcycle Diaries, and you probably need no introduction about Dakar Rally and Aravind KP. Welcome Aravind,
Thank you so much.
and congratulations on your success.
Thank you very much.
So how was the experience in Dakar Rally 2019?
It definitely was overwhelming and a lot of mixed emotions. Definitely hard one, but happy to have finished and taken the flag to the finish line.
So you have had heartbreaks before, and coming back from that, how tough was this journey, this edition?
Uh, it was definitely a lot tougher than the previous times because we went in with a lot of setbacks and a few nursing injuries, but we were motivated as the previous times as well, and dealt with every day in a positive note and got it done.
And what about next edition of Dakar Rally?
We are definitely going to put a lot of hard work and train as much as possible and try and stay healthy getting into the next year and do what we can in the best way possible.
Any particular goal that you want
To finish.
set for the
To finish.
Just the finishing is the primary
Yes.
goal.
Yes.
And would you like to give any advice to the aspiring young people?
Yeah, definitely. We have a lot of stages where all the young aspiring kids can go and train themselves and get expert advice. TVS Racing conducts a lot of single make championships and training facilities in MMSC track and a few other places where they opt a lot of young kids and offer them with practice and racing knowledge and make them into champions. So I think all the kids have a lot more to grab than when we started, and they have a bright future coming their way.
Thanks, Aravind.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.